Do you think I'm your soulmate?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Past 6 p.m. ng November 30, finally nag-confirm na nga si Kath na hiwalay na sila ni Daniel. Parang less than 48 hours ago, we've released this video. Bakit hindi pa nagsasalita ang Katniel? Kasama na si Andrea. Bakit nga ba nagsalita na si Kath at sinundan naman ni Daniel? Unahin natin yung mga facts. They've been in a relationship for 11 years ni Daniel. Minahal niya ng totoo si Daniel at sabi din naman ni Daniel na it's not just in front of the camera. And I think naniwala tayong lahat doon and we appreciated how genuine. No wonder, lahat tayo talagang kilig na kilig din naman talaga at napasaya nila tayo sa kanilang mga projects na ginawa. Now, may mga speculations din na parang ilang buwan na nga sila talagang magkahiwalay. Gaya nung nasabi ko dun sa video ko, marami kasing mga legal implications kapag nilet go na lang nila agad tong mga info na to na yes, break na kami. Of course, may mga kontrata sila bilang mga endorsers. Isa pa sa mga nag-circulate is, possible din kaya na ilang buwan na silang magkahiwalay, tapos pumapasok si Andrea, kung totoo man na they're dating ni Daniel, ng ilang buwan na rin na wala na yung Katniel. Ang pinaka-importante sa video na to is I'd like to talk to you about bakit nga ba finally nagsalita na si Catherine followed by Daniel. Now, if you're in a relationship and you both decided to just end it, may mga stages yan eh. Unang-una na dyan yung in denial ka. Na these things are really happening, it's against a relationship, and yet, yung iba, they'll be blinded with what they are seeing. Kasi they're in denial na it's leading to this, pero no, it's not. It's really not happening. And then the moment you get to see more of these things that is against you and against the relationship, that's when you get mad. Siyempre, mag-escalate na yan. And then yung third stage is, yung makikipag-bargain ka na, ang dami ng evidences in front of you, this is really not working. But then again, let's meet halfway. I am willing to sacrifice a lot of things. Yan yung stage na bargaining. Then people will also get into depression. Yung depression definitely, alam mo na it's no longer working eh. And yet, pinilit mo na, but it's still not. Hindi ko na yata talaga masasave to. And you don't want to talk to anybody about it.
I'm sure si Catherine na yung pakakasalan mo.
Oo, man. Okay na ako. Okay na ako.
And then another stage after that is acceptance. Yung acceptance is a beautiful space. Now, ang take ko, now na nagsalita, lalo na si Kath, is that yung stage ni Kath is either in the depression stage, baka nasa latter part of that, or it could be that she's also in the acceptance stage. She told us that she wants healing. Even si Daniel said yes in this healing process. So that means, ang haba na nung pinagdaanan nito para malaman natin yung current state. And let's respect that. And we really have to be careful as well dahil yung stage na depression o kaya yung acceptance, that's beautiful na eh. Diba? Letting go ka na. Pero yung depression, going to it, medyo mahirap pa. That's why I'm also thinking na ayaw na magsalita ni Kath after that post that she made last night. Now that I'm sharing yung reasons, it's also important for us to look at ourselves. Kasi we've been sympathizing. Ang sakit eh. The moment na I learned about it, talagang parang at some point tumigil din yung mundo ko and thinking about how we will all react and trying to digest what's really happening out there. Kasi lahat tayo minahal nga yung Katniel. And alam din nga natin na they're really on the rocks. Now, puntahan natin tayong mga spectators. What Transform Media PH is really advocating, kaya din naman tayo naglalabas ng saloobin na ganito, is that please be mindful about your emotions. Ito yung mga idols natin, ito yung nangyayari sa kanila. Tayo, kapag nagsisympathize tayo, lalo na kapag pumasok na talaga sa kaloob-looban natin or subconscious level, na okay, magulo na yung nangyayari sa mga idols ko, there's also a probability na pumasok yan sa personal life mo. What I'm saying is, for some people, naghiwalay na yung Katniel. Wala talagang forever. Ang daming showbiz na partners in a relationship na naghihiwalay na. So, anong mangyayari sa relasyon ko? Talagang walang forever. So, maghihiwalay na rin kami ng jowa ko, ng asawa ko. Agree ba kayo doon? Kasi ang dami kong nababasang ganyang mga comments, all leading to our personal lives. And that's really scary. That's why we're putting these videos out. Kasi nga, I want to remind all of you na kung ano yung mga nakikita natin sa mga ina-idolize natin, please, never bring them home. Okay na yung nakikisaw-saw tayo, pero control your emotion. Kawawa naman yung jowa nyo na walang kinalaman. All of a sudden, nag-iisip ka na rin na, dahil si Daniel daw ay may mga infidelity issues, cheater and all that, tapos may mga Andreang klase daw ng babae na kapaligid kay Daniel. And so lahat tayo, karamihan yung mga babae, mag-iisip na pare-pareho lang talaga yung mga lalaki. DJ! O kaya pare-pareho lang talaga yung mga ganyang klase ng tao. No. Please, never think about that. Granted na hanggang ngayon, we're all trying to absorb, trying to get more information about Katniel's breakup. We all need to move on together. I'm sure, alam ninyo, na hindi ganun kadali yung phase na pinagdaanan nila. Ang haba nun. Knowing that they're also celebrities, moving on is an important phase, not just for them, but even for fans. Dahil, yung totoo, lahat naman ng bagay na to, lilipas din. Itong breakup phase na ito, maliit lang na phase yan ng relationship nila. Yung 11 years, yung napakatagal, most of the time, not 100, most of the time, masaya yon. At napasaya din nila tayo. So, balikan, isipin na lang natin those memories. Because if some relationship doesn't last, it doesn't mean na yung relationship mo will not last as well. As we all move on, ito pa, bonus ko to ha, mukhang meron tayong isa pang hihintayin. Kung ano nga ba yung totoong sitwasyon between Andrea and kay Daniel. Please, let's not think ahead. Masyado tayong advance mag-isip na ang dami ng complications, issues, sino again ang mas naapektuhan bukod sa mga idols natin, alam mo na ikaw din. You'll never know. Pinaghihinalaan natin na sinira ni Andrea yung relationship. What if nga matagal nang wala yung Katniel? And fresh pumasok si Andrea. Kawawa din naman yung tao, di ba? But then again, I'm not taking sides. All I'm saying is, the only thing that we can do right now is really not to force all this information to come out, but rather just be a fair spectator. After all, eventually lahat tayo, possible din magdaan sa pinagdadaanan nila. So mag-abang-abang na lang tayo, pare-pareho lang din tayong waiting.